Mac users, say goodbye to dimly lit Zoom calls. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place to get all the tech news. Apple's latest macOS Tahoe 26.2 update brings a flashy new feature called Edge Light, which uses your Mac's display to illuminate your face like a virtual ring light, perfect for low-light video calls on Apple Silicon Macs. Even better, on newer 2024 and later models, Edge Light can turn on automatically when the room gets dark. Users can adjust the light's width and temperature to look their best, and it instantly recedes when you move the mouse or trackpad. No more fumbling with lamps or awkward lighting setups, but that's not all. macOS Tahoe 26.2 is packed with smaller but impactful upgrades. Podcasts now come with automatically generated chapters and clickable links to mentioned episodes. Gamers get improved filters in the game's library and fresh in-game challenge updates, while Apple Music adds a favorite songs playlist to top picks. Navigation improvements in Apple News, more flexible tables in freeform, and other bug fixes make the experience smoother than ever. AirDrop gets a serious security boost too. Now, when you send files to unknown contacts, a verification code appears on the receiver's device that must be entered by the sender to complete the transfer. Apple says this adds a layer of protection, though it could disrupt cross-device compatibility with Google Pixel phones. From dazzling video calls to tighter security and smarter media features, macOS Tahoe 26.2 is more than just another update. It's Apple's way of making your Mac smarter, safer, and just a little flashier. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.